Do you have some cauliflower? Here's a quick and easy dish you can make in the air fryer. Clean and break your cauliflower into small florets. Place them into a small baking pan that fits your air fryer. Sprinkle the florets with some avocado oil or olive oil spray. Sprinkle a little adobo seasoning. This seasoning is garlic, turmeric, oregano, and salt combination. Next, sprinkle some Japanese barbecue sauce. This sauce made from soy sauce, sugar, mirin, ginger, vinegar, garlic, and sesame oil. You can create the sauce yourself. Next, add a bit of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of water to a pan. Toss everything well to combine all the ingredients with your fingers. Top up with 2 tablespoons of sesame oil and then spray once again with avocado oil. Now we are ready to put the baking pan into the air fryer at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. And voila, your perfectly golden roasted cauliflower florets. Enjoy!